Have you ever wondered how nature and yoga could intertwine in a harmonious symphony? Welcome to the world of garden yoga, a fusion of the soothing rhythm of nature and the healing energy of yoga. By practicing yoga outdoors, you may find your mood lifting, your focus sharpening, and a deeper bond forming with the world around you. Now imagine yourself in a tranquil garden breathing in the fresh air as you flow through your yoga sequence. But what makes garden yoga so special, you might ask? Well, imagine feeling the gentle caress of the wind, hearing the soothing chirps of birds, and seeing the vibrant hues of nature while doing your favorite yoga poses. That's garden yoga for you. It's not just a physical exercise, but a holistic experience that benefits both your body and mind. When you practice yoga in a garden, you're enhancing your flexibility, strength, and balance in an environment that naturally encourages mindfulness. The sounds of rustling leaves, the scent of blooming flowers, and the sight of greenery all around you make the experience more grounding and relaxing. But that's not all. Garden yoga also helps reduce stress and boost mental clarity. It's like hitting a refresh button for your mind, letting the worries of the world melt away as you connect with nature. With every breath you take, you're not just nourishing your body, but also your soul, connecting with the rhythms of nature. Ready to embrace the serenity of garden yoga? Now is your chance to connect with nature and find inner peace. Start with simple poses, like the tree or the mountain, allowing the energy of the earth to ground you. As your confidence grows, challenge yourself with more complex poses. Immerse yourself in the rhythm of nature, feeling the wind as your breath, the earth as your mat. Remember, every journey starts with a single step, or in this case, a single pose. Enjoyed this brief journey into the world of garden yoga? We've got more where that came from. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button if you found this video useful, and subscribe to our channel for more content on yoga, well-being, and the art of living harmoniously with nature. We'd love to hear about your personal garden yoga experiences too, so don't hesitate to share them in the comment section. Until next time, keep your spirit high, your mind open, and your body flexible. Namaste.